All right, guys, this is the Makita drill driver and impact driver. Now, these can come in a kit where you can get both of them, or you can buy them separately. Now, these are very nice, very lightweight, and very powerful drills. Now, if you buy this as a combo kit, you're also going to get the charger and a couple batteries here, which is very nice. And I think you get a bag too. Now, the drill driver has 2 speeds, first and second gear. First gear is going to definitely be lower speed, more torque. Second gear is going to be a higher speed, more for drilling, things like that. You have a 21 position clutch. Now, the nice thing about this clutch here is this is what's going to stop you from over tightening a screw and stripping it out. On the drill, you have, of course, forward and reverse. You have a work light here. It is variable speed, so the farther you push the trigger in, the more speed you're going to get. First gear will go up to 600 RPMs, while second gear will go up to 1900 RPMs. The drill driver also delivers 480 inch-pounds of torque, which is quite a bit. It weighs 3.3 pounds, so it is very lightweight. Again, a lot of power in a very lightweight, compact tool. The impact driver will do up to 2900 RPMs and 3500 IPMs and up to 1460 inch-pounds of torque. So again, very powerful. You have your work light here, forward, reverse. Your impact driver, again, what I like about these, you have a locking mechanism. Just pull that out, slide the bit in, then you're ready to go. So very powerful little drill, lightweight, only weighs 2.8 pounds. Again, very powerful, and it just fits your hand very nicely. I love the grips on these things. So again, just a very nice tool.